Assalamu alaikum, 7th class. Hope you are all fine. Subject Computer Science. Today we are going to start the revision of unit number 5, Introduction to Programming Languages. Topic 5.1, what are programming languages? And it's on page number 115. In order to communicate with one another, humans use languages. When we want to communicate with each other, we use different languages. Languages are the source of communication. It is estimated that about 6,000 languages are spoken in the world today, such as Urdu, English, Punjabi, Hindi, Arabic, etc. Without any languages, we cannot communicate with one another. Languages are the main source of communication. Approximately 6,000 languages are spoken in the world, in which Urdu, English, Punjabi, and Arabic, etc. are included. When we want to communicate with computer, we need a well-defined language which can be understood by a computer. A computer only knows one language, that is called machine language. Human beings use different languages to communicate, same as when we want to communicate with computer, we need a language, and computer only knows the machine language. It is a low-level language. Specific artificial languages, e.g. BASIC, C++, COBOL, etc. are developed which are written like English language but can be translated into machine language by using special software called language translator. Basically, it is a low-level language. BASIC, C++, COBOL are included in the artificial languages which are written like English languages. These languages first translated into machine language by using special software named language translator. An artificial language used to write instructions which can be translated into machine language by using language translator is called programming or computer language. All types of computer programs are written in their programming languages. A language used to write instructions for the computer, an artificial language used to write instructions that can be translated into machine language and then executed by a computer. English and other natural languages are not used as programming languages because they cannot be easily translated into machine language. English and other languages are not used as programming languages because they cannot be easily translated into machine languages. Every language is based on two things, grammar and vocabulary. Grammar means the structure of sentence and vocabulary means the words used in a particular language. Grammar is a set of rules that define the syntax for a particular language, and structure is an arrangement of words, and vocabulary are the word that is used in a particular language. In computer languages, mostly grammar is called syntax, vocabulary is called keywords, and the sentences are called instructions. As you know, English is a natural language. It has words, symbols, and grammatical rules. A programming language has also words, symbols, and rules of grammar. The grammatical rules are called syntax. Each programming language has a different set of syntax rules. A computer program or just program is a sequence of instructions written to perform a specified task on a computer. A computer program is a collection of instructions that can be executed by a computer to perform a specified task. Most computer devices requires program to function properly. Sequence of instructions is written according to the algorithm. That instructions that you are written, it's according to the algorithm. Now the question is, what is algorithm? An algorithm, pronounced algorithm, is a set of finite steps that are followed in order to write a program to solve mathematical problems or to complete a computer process. Basically, algorithm is a finite step of instructions most often used in solving problems or performing tasks. One of the most common uses for algorithms is in computer science. Computers can't do anything without being told what to do. Algorithm allows us to give computers step-by-step instructions in order to solve a problem or perform a specified task. Here you can see the picture of founder of algorithm, Muhammad Ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi. The word algorithm is derived from the name of the famous Muslim scientist Muhammad Ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi. He was a part of the royal court in Baghdad and lived from about 780 to 850 AD. Now come to the exercise. Today we are going to revise exercise A. Write short answers to the following questions. Define programming language. Its answer is on page number 115. An artificial language used to write instructions which can be translated into machine language by using language translator is called programming or computer language. Next question is differentiate between syntax and keywords. Its answer is on page number 115. Grammar means the structure of sentence and vocabulary means the word used in particular language. In computer languages, mostly grammar is called syntax and vocabulary is called keywords. Question number 3. Define computer program. Its answer is on page number 116. A computer program or just program is a sequence of instructions written to perform a specified task on a computer. Sequence of instructions is written according to the algorithm. Now the next question is exercise A. Question number 4. What is meant by algorithm? Its answer is on page number 116. An algorithm, pronounced algorithm, is a set of finite steps that are followed in order to write a program, to solve mathematical problems or to complete a computer process. You have to revise these questions. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.